Who like to have a website to collect leads in 5 minutes or less? It's what we will use to collect identities. We have to be able to have a page where people land that they give us their information, phone number and email. The more questions that you ask on a form, the more qualified the person is going to be, but the more you're going to pay per lead. I can try 50 at a time, 100 at a time. The message has to impact. ChatGPT is going to help us create the copy we will need for this form. Check this out, a couple of things here. Ad creatives. We're going to use ChatGPT to help us come up with ad copy and an image to promote our lead magnet. So check this out. We have another prompt over here. So we're going to attach the lead magnet. Check this out. This is how we do it. We're going to go to ChatGPT, and then we're going to attach this document here. And then I'm going to paste this instruction over here. And I'm saying, I need the following elements. Create 5 variations of each. Primary text, a short engaging message under 125 characters that highlights the value of the lead magnet and encourages users to download it. Headline, a clear and compelling headline with a maximum of 8 words that captures attention, describes the lead magnet's benefit, and a description that emphasizes why people should download the lead magnet and how it will help them, keeping it concise and benefit focused. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. I can create unlimited of these variations, right? Like it just keeps on coming out. The creativity is really, really unlimited. And because it's so unlimited, I can then put a lot of these to work. And the ones that don't work, that don't convert, out. And I keep the ones that do convert. So instead of like trying 5 at a time, I can try 50 at a time, 100 at a time. The message has to impact. The message has to click. And once something clicks on social media, the algorithm keeps on feeding it. So look, it already gave me primary text variations. Let's look at that. Struggling with social media? Discover the top 5 mistakes and how to avoid them. Download our free guide now. The top 5 mistakes. I want to know what are the top 5 mistakes, right? I absolutely want to know. Boost your brand's social media success by avoiding these common pitfalls. Get your free cheat sheet today. Want more engagement and followers? Learn the 5 social media mistakes holding you back. Click to download. Small changes, big results. Avoid these 5 social media mistakes and grow your business faster. Download here. Ready to level up your social media game? Grab our free guide on avoiding the 5 biggest mistakes now. So that is on the primary text. And then we go to the headline variations. And then we go to the description variations. And I got it all. Okay. So we got the ad creatives. Those are the elements that you need. We now have to set up an opt-in page. It's what we will use to collect identities. We have to be able to have a page where people land that they give us their information, phone number and email. Now, some of us don't want to go down that path of building our own website right now. You just want leads right now. Like, I just want to be able to sell my services. I want to try to avoid building expensive websites or whatever, even though they're not expensive anymore. We're going to use an opt-in page. There's many of them that we can use. There's a tool called Go High Level. We use it all the time. There's another one called Wix, ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, you name it. There's many, many options. But we're going to use the most simple of them all. Who likes simple? Raise your hand. This one is called Facebook's Instant Form. It looks like this. Who like to have a website to collect leads in 5 minutes or less? It's incredible, right? Facebook allows you to create a micro landing page within Meta so you can collect leads that you can service and sell your stuff to. It looks like that. AGR Marketing at the top 5 social media mistakes small businesses make. I have a picture of our team. It says fill out the form below to receive our practical guide on the most common social media pitfalls to avoid. And there's a couple of questions. First name, full name, email, phone number. You can customize and you can ask whatever you want. The more questions you ask, the less you will convert, but the higher the qualified lead. Understand that formula. Volume as less questions. If you want qualified leads that are ready to buy your stuff, ask as many questions as you want. The more questions that you ask on a form, the more qualified the person is going to be, but the more you're going to pay per lead. ChatGPT is going to help us create the copy we will need for this form. Check this out. A couple of things here. We have an image that I want to create. Check this out. I need the copy, which is the headline, the text, the call to action. And then I need an image, which is this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and paste this prompt. Image creations. Okay. So I'm going to take this out and then give me 20 ideas for a square image to promote this cheat sheet. Include a description of what the image should look like. Okay. So it got the ideas for the images. Okay. And then it gives me the idea, right? Like stop losing followers, start growing. Visual, a smartphone displaying social media apps with follower count arrows going up. Do you know that you can just literally say, give me number one? So insane, right? It's so incredible. So I'm asking for like number one, just like that, right? Stop losing followers, start growing. Perfect grammar. The icons, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, absolutely incredible, right? Just like that. Attention grabbing. Can it be better? Yeah, it can be better. If you want another better version, ask for another one. Ask for 5 of them. Let's see what it did. So it gave me 5 variations here. I can ask for them individually. We're going to take this message right here and paste it. Create an image on the below. A chess piece on a social media strategy board. Text, master your social strategy. Look at the difference. You know, something that is very impressive. I have been asked many times, what about copyright? What is the infringement of this? Who holds the rights? No one holds the rights. It is the wild, wild west. The beautiful thing is that you guys can ask the same question. All 100 of you here can ask the same question. How many different responses are you going to get? 100. That's the way it is. Look at that image right there. I actually like that one compared to the one that I originally got. Imagine I can get 10 images and I can split test them and see which one performs the best. Just like that. So I got the images. I got the copy. Now I want to go to adsmanager.facebook.com. You log in with your Facebook profile. adsmanager.facebook.com, add and click on plus create. And then select leads. Click on continue. Leads. Manual leads campaign. Then click on continue. Name the campaign. In this case, we're naming it AGM lead generation. Set your daily budget. We're doing $25 a day. What do we want to do? We want to do instant forms. Generate leads by asking people to fill out a form. And then we're going to select our brand's Facebook page. In this case, AGM marketing right here. And what do I want? I want to maximize number of leads. You got to answer Meta's questions, right? Maximize numbers of leads. It says, we'll try to slow your ads. We'll try to show your ads to the people most likely to share their contact information with you. They're going to use their data to try to put you in front of the right people. Existing audience, you can actually go and target people that watch your content, people that follow your page, people that are friends or people that follow your page, people that visit your website, or you can select an audience that's similar to your customers, or you can actually go and search for people that are interested in certain things. This is a world. Targeting is a big world by itself. You can reach new people who are similar to your most valuable customers. Okay, so we go to create new one, an audience, select next. Step by step, how do you do it? Name your ad, single image, set up your creative. Okay, here we go. Facebook has integrated AI, which is really cool. Look at that button over here that says generate more. You're going to see it on pretty much all the different screens. It's going to give you more AI-driven ideas on copy. Press the button, whoop, more ideas, right? So you can add your own variations, or you can let Facebook also add AI variations. Headline text, same thing. Same thing, add more or use your own. Description, same thing. And then you click on next. And then you select your media. We're going to upload the one that we created. This is the one. You see the difference? Look at the one that it produced when I asked the same question, by the way. That's what it produced. Keep that one in your mind. And now check this out. That's what it gave me. Dramatically different images with the same exact prompt. Absolutely incredible, right? So I'm going to select the media and then just go through the steps. I can create directly on Meta, by the way, on Facebook, AI-generated images for split testing. So instead of just going to ChatGPT, I can go in there and click on try out more of these images. And then it will add more images. It'll add colors to it. Like we'll make like a single one. And then I can actually even edit the text that's showing up on the image itself. And then you click on done. And we got the ad variations. That's ready to go. And then the last step is to create the form, the micro website. You can call it a micro website. You create a form over here because you're doing lead generation on Facebook. Create a form and then you go for the step. Name your form. You want more volume. Remember what I told you? Higher intent or more volume? It's telling you that people have to jump through more hoops. They're adding a review step. Are you sure you want to submit this information to XYZ brand? Yeah, you sure? Okay, great. When you give higher intent, you're going to pay more, but you're going to have more quality. You have to decide what you want. Then you click on next. You can use the same image for your ad, or you can upload image. You can toggle this thing on, get it on, greeting recommended, and then it starts looking like this. Get the top 5 social media mistakes phone businesses make. If I upload my own image, I can make that picture become like a picture of me, or I can make that become a picture of my team or of the office or whatever I want, right? And then it starts filling out the form. That's the headline. That's the description of what it is. And just like that, I'm going to click on next. And then I'm going to select here what are the questions that I want to ask. Full name, email, phone number. Minimum, you have to get those things. Full name, email, phone number. To do this, you can click on add a category over here, add category, and then select the phone number. You see all the things that you can ask for. You can ask for addresses. You can ask additional questions. You can have questions that are fill in the blank so they can actually respond to anything that you want to ask for. How many employees do you have? You can let them answer that, right? If you're business to business, whatever it is that you want. Review, click on next, add the privacy policy, submit, add the headline and description you generated earlier. Here it is, right here. Review the preview and click create form. And we got a form now. Publish it. And now we have the ad that we created, which is the lead generation ad, that we're now going to toggle it on, and we have the ad. Who knows what is the minimum that you can spend on a Facebook campaign a day? It is $2, inflation. It's actually been $2 for many years. Some campaigns make you do $5. Ooh. So depending on the type of campaign, right? But we can all play. We can all play, right? If you can spend more, spend more. But it's better to market than to not market at all. You understand?